Simple rule-based planning works for straightforward incidents, but enterprise environments require deeper reasoning. That is where large language models augment the planner. Instead of blindly following static playbooks, the planner dynamically reasons over incident descriptions, infrastructure topology, historical patterns, and telemetry context. Chain-of-thought style reasoning allows the model to infer hidden dependencies. For example, elevated API latency may not originate from application servers at all. It could stem from database locks, message queue congestion, or network packet loss. LLM-assisted planning helps surface such possibilities early. Prompt engineering becomes critical here because the planner must produce structured, machine-readable plans rather than verbose natural language. We often instruct the model to output JSON steps, tool selections, risk scores, and escalation requirements. This allows downstream agents to operate deterministically while benefiting from sophisticated reasoning. Combining symbolic workflow constraints with LLM reasoning gives the planner both flexibility and operational discipline, enabling better diagnostics under highly dynamic infrastructure conditions. Once a plan is created, the retriever agent gathers evidence needed for diagnosis. Retrieval is critical because large language models alone do not possess real-time infrastructure state. The retriever bridges that gap by collecting logs, metrics, historical incidents, documentation, and knowledge base entries. It queries OpenSearch for vector similarity searches across operational documents and incident archives. It may also fetch live telemetry from CloudWatch or Prometheus. The goal is to provide relevant context to the reasoning engine while minimizing noise. Poor retrieval floods the system with irrelevant information, increasing latency and reducing accuracy. Strong retrieval provides high-signal evidence that improves downstream reasoning. Modern retrieval agents combine semantic vector search with metadata filters such as server name, severity, application, timestamp, and incident category. This hybrid retrieval strategy balances semantic intelligence with operational precision. In infrastructure AI systems, retrieval quality often determines root cause accuracy because the best reasoning still depends on high-quality evidence. Before OpenSearch can perform semantic retrieval, raw operational data must be converted into vector embeddings. The embedding pipeline transforms logs, documents, runbooks, incident tickets, and architecture notes into numerical representations that capture semantic meaning. First, large documents are chunked into manageable segments while preserving context boundaries. Each chunk is then passed through an embedding model such as Titan embeddings or sentence transformers. The output vector represents semantic relationships in high-dimensional space. Similar concepts naturally cluster together, enabling powerful semantic search. For example, memory exhaustion and out-of-memory crash may be retrieved together even if exact keywords differ. Metadata such as server ID, application, severity, and timestamp are stored alongside vectors for filtering. Efficient chunking is essential because overly large chunks dilute semantic precision while overly small chunks lose contextual meaning. A well-designed embedding pipeline becomes the foundation of retrieval-augmented agentic reasoning. After planning and retrieval, the executor agent performs actions in controlled environments. This agent interacts with external tools such as AWS APIs, SSH sessions, automation scripts, Kubernetes commands, and remediation workflows. Unlike reasoning agents, executor agents directly affect infrastructure, making safety absolutely critical. Actions may include restarting services, collecting diagnostics, scaling compute resources, clearing cache, or running shell commands. Every execution request carries structured parameters and risk classification. Low-risk read-only operations can execute automatically, while higher-risk actions require human approval. Executor agents also capture command outputs and error logs for downstream analysis. Tool wrappers standardize how commands are issued, logged, retried, and audited. This ensures observability and compliance. In production environments, execution permissions are tightly scoped using IAM roles and least privilege access controls. Executor agents convert intelligence into operational action, bridging the gap between AI reasoning and real infrastructure remediation while maintaining enterprise safety standards. Autonomy without control is dangerous in enterprise systems, which is why human-in-the-loop approval is essential. Before the executor performs high-risk actions such as server restarts, database failovers, or infrastructure scaling, the agent pauses and requests approval from an authorized human operator. This creates a safety boundary between reasoning and execution. The planner generates an action plan, the retriever gathers evidence, and the reviewer validates recommendations. Only then is a structured approval request presented to the operator with risk score, rationale, expected impact, and rollback steps. The operator can approve, reject, or modify the plan. This mechanism combines AI speed with human judgment. Every approval decision is stored in DynamoDB along with timestamps and audit metadata. Over time, this approval history becomes valuable memory for future recommendations. Human governance ensures the system remains explainable, compliant, and trusted in regulated enterprise environments where accountability matters as much as automation efficiency. The reviewer agent acts as the quality control layer of the entire agentic system. Even when the planner produces a reasonable strategy and the retriever gathers relevant evidence, mistakes can still happen. AI systems may hallucinate root causes, miss dependencies, or recommend risky remediation steps. The reviewer agent reduces these risks by independently validating outputs before execution. It cross-checks retrieved evidence, verifies whether recommended actions align with operational policies, and ensures that required approvals are enforced. The reviewer also performs consistency checks across telemetry, historical incidents, and remediation playbooks. For example, if the planner suggests restarting an application service, the reviewer confirms whether recent incidents show that restart actually solved similar problems. If inconsistencies are detected, the workflow may be rerouted for replanning or escalation. This reviewer introduces a second reasoning pass similar to peer review in engineering teams. In enterprise AI architectures, reviewer agents significantly improve trust, safety, and explainability by ensuring execution decisions are evidence-backed rather than purely generated by a single reasoning chain. In this episode, we discussed about different kinds of agents. This can increase or decrease in number based on the task requirement. In next episode, we will discuss about APIs. Stay curious.